Hello. Welcome back again. In today's video, we're gonna know about how can we actually start contributing to open source using Git. Yeah, Git is a version control system for tracking changes in file. So without wasting much of your time, let's get back to the video. Right now, I am assuming that you all have a GitHub account. If not, you can simply create one from their website as well. So now let's start. So just open your browser, search for Git. Oh, sorry. Click on the first link. Here you can see download for Windows. If you are on Windows, if you are on Mac, you can download it from here as well. So I am currently on Windows. Click here to download. Yeah. So as you can see, the Git is now downloaded. I will just go to my downloads, and now just allow some permissions. Now the Git is ready. So just press next and next. So as you can see, the Git is now successfully installed in our device. So click on finish. Now search for any terminal. The first command that we have to run is git version. So as you can see, it shows the version. It means the Git is successfully installed in our device. Now for second command, first we have to choose a project. So let's minimize it as of now. So I have chosen a project on which I want to contribute. So the first step that we have to do is fork the project. Forking simply means copying the website or project on which you want to work. Click on fork. It shows creating repository. In GitHub, repository simply means a folder. So it's forking now. Yeah, as you can see, this is the maintainer's file and this is my file. It means it is a clone of the main project. So now click on code. Here click on HTTPS and now copy the link. Now get back to the terminal. Now write the command git clone, paste the link and press enter. As you can see, it shows cloning. Yeah, so if you want to open the file directly from here in your VS Code, you just have to type cd file path and then code and one dot. Press enter. You can again code. Yeah, as you can see, it's opened in VS Code now. So as you can see, we have the code base in our local device now. So let us say if I want to, yeah, to make a contribution, firstly, we have to create an issue. To create an issue, let's go to the GitHub. Here, go to the maintainers project. Now, here you can see issues. Now, create new issue. So let us say this is a deployment link of the project. So I want to change the hover effect from black to green. So I will simply write want to change hover effect of play button from black to green. Here you can write a description about what you actually want to do. So I am simply writing want to change play button to green on over. Yeah, sorry for some spelling mistakes. Leave it for now. So now I will request the maintainer to assign this issue to me. It is always recommended that you have to wait until you are assigned for the issue. Actually, it resolves the confusion among different lots of contributors as well. So please assign me this issue. Yeah, as you can see, the issue is now assigned to me by the maintainer. So now I am allowed to work on this issue. So let's get back to our code. I want to change the hover effect. Yeah, so here is the code base. Now I just have to change hover effect. So I will be searching for the class. So here is it. Now I want to change the background color on hover. So I will be having this one and removing this one as of now. Yeah, so now I have successfully made the changes on my local device, and now I would like to create a pull request. That is, I want to request the maintainer. Before that, I have to push these changes to my GitHub account from my local machine. For that, let's get back to the terminal. Here, now the next command that we have to write is git status. From this, you can see that you have modified style.css. It means we have made some changes on this file. Yeah, so we have made. Now I would like the next command is git add. It means that we want to add the required changes to git. Now git commit. Here we have to write some comment that what we have changed. So I am writing changed color of play button on hover. Press enter. Now it's changing. As you can see, one file changed, one insertion and two deletion, as we have changed one line and deleted two lines. So now the final thing that we have to do is git push. It simply pushes the changes to our GitHub account from our local machine. Yeah, it is asking for GitHub credentials, so I will simply allow it. Yeah, it is successfully done. Now as you can see, we have successfully merged that all. Yeah, now get back to our GitHub account. Create, click here on your repository, create on the repository that you have forked. Now as we can see here, the branch is one commit ahead. It means we are one step ahead of the original project. So now we want to merge this step. For that, you have to click on contribute, open pull request. Yeah, so here you can see what files we have changed. We have changed style.css. Here is the code that we have added or deleted. Yeah, so in GitHub, the pull request simply means that we are requesting from the maintainer to merge our changes with their project. Yeah, so here is the heading, changed color of play button on hover. Now it is recommended that you must have to mention the issue that is resolved by your pull request. So I am mentioning here resolves issue 6. Yeah, create a pull request. Now we have to wait for the maintainer until he merges the request or suggests some edits. So let's wait for some time. As you can see, our pull request is successfully merged by the maintainer. It means the changes that we have depleted. Yeah, so the changes will be successfully depleted in some time. So now I have wrote some commands that we have used. You can take a snapshot of it as well. So thank you for joining with us.